In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Hubstaff account. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's make sure this is a seamless experience for you. To get started, first open your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you typically use. In the search bar, type in Hubstaff and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Click on the official Hubstaff website, which should be one of the top results. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your account. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields and give it a moment as your dashboard loads. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your avatar. Your avatar is essentially your profile picture or a default icon if you haven't set one. Click on it, and this will open a menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Delete Account. Depending on the version of the site or updates that may have occurred, it might be easy to spot, or you may need to scroll a bit within the menu. Click on Delete Account when you find it. Please be aware that deleting your account means permanently losing all data and configurations associated with it. Make sure you've saved any important information you might need later. If you're sure about proceeding, follow any additional prompts you may receive. Sometimes, they require you to verify your decision to ensure there are no accidental deletions. You might need to provide your password or answer a security question as a final confirmation step. And just like that, you've deleted your Hubstaff account. Remember, if the deletion is for personal reasons and you plan to use Hubstaff in the future, you'll need to start from scratch. You could always reach out to their support service if you're in any doubt or encounter issues along the way. I hope this video was helpful and gave you the clarity you needed. If you have any questions or encounter unexpected results, you can always consult the Hubstaff Help Center or contact their support team for assistance. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.